What's up, family? Welcome back to Solomon's Vineyard. It's your brother Russell Mack. This is a quick package review. I got a package from Fragrance X this morning, and let's go and get right into it. If you guys are new to the channel and this is your very first time tapping on my thumbnail, hey, welcome to the channel. I'm glad to have you. Thank you for giving me a little bit of your day. I really appreciate it. You hear the music in the background, guys, you know it's not my music, so that's my disclaimer, but I can't go for that. Listen here, listen. Isn't that beautiful? You don't hear music like that no more, y'all. Yeah. All right, Talia, turn it down a little bit for you, boy. Just a little bit. All right, family, listen, we got a package. I've already took the box, opened the box up. I didn't open the package up though. The bottom, you sit this down, y'all know the Fragrance X quick. I ain't worried about that. We got a fragrance here. I don't know why they did this, but this is called the Baron. This is the Baron. Let me take the plastic off. And this is another gem, if you will, 45 years old. So this here would be released back in the 60s. But of course, you know, they have re-released it, changed it. I think that, well, you know what? I think it's original packaging. And it's gray box with red and blue stripes with the Baron by LTL. I'm trying to get to this bottle though, guys. And I want to live. Oh, wow. And I can already smell it through the thumbnail. I dropped something. So what? Talia, can you show them that?
Okay, you guys, you have a chrome bottle with red, white writing with the red, white, and blue around it, around the little sticker label.
Yes.
Gold or chrome, I got.
Yes.
Chrome
Okay.
at top with the information at the bottom. And this is a 4.5 ounce.
4.5 ounce. And I just want to smell it on camera, what you got. That's all I want to do, all right? Wow, I like this. I can already smell it. Oh, wow, and this is okay, it looks like a dabber. No, it's got an atomizer. It fell out, of course. It's on the floor somewhere. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Talia, come see if you can find that atomizer that fell out. Oh, this is beautiful, y'all. This is absolutely beautiful. Yep, here's the atomizer, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. And we're gonna put the atomizer on. All right. The top, from what I can see, kind of plastic, kind of generic, but that's what you would expect from a fragrance this old. All right. But it smells exquisite. Okay. The Baron. My brother Tyrone, he's the one who told me about this. He told me, man, you must have it. So y'all know me. I love fragrances 20 years old or better. And here's another good one. Great atomizer, sprays very well. And I can oh wow, I'm picking up this scent and you talking about good. Oh wow, I'm in love. This is definitely a room filler. It has a fresh vibe to it in the opening. Wow, kind of soapy. This thing is lovable, man. Definitely love at first sight. And to say it's it come out in 1965, you would think it would smell really dated. But this really does have a niche quality smell, guys. I'm in love. Y'all have got to give me some time with this, and I'm definitely going to come back and do a full review of this juice here, The Berry by LTL. You can find this on Fragrance X for $44 for this 4-ounce bottle, okay? Thank you guys so much. Y'all know what to do. I already told you, the housekeeping told you. You know, you can subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, like the video. Y'all know what to do. Comment in the thread below. It's your brother Russell Mack. I love you so much. Take care, fam. Peace.
All right.